बिरेस्तारा कुडचडेच्या चंद्रभागा तुकोबा उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयान कुडचडे काकोडा पालिका रेड रिबन क्लब तसेच सांगे कॅफे पत्रकार संघाच्या जोडपालवान एड्स जागृतायेचेर रॅली काडिल्ली. आरडीएक्स गुवाहाटी कुडचडेच्यान सुमेश देसाई.
To have a rally for awareness of the AIDS World AIDS Day. So today with the Chandrabhaga Tukoba Naik Higher Secondary, municipality and health centers, all these come together in collaboration with the Patrakar Sangh. So to celebrate and make awareness of the World AIDS Day, so that whoever the affected peoples and spread of the disease should not be go ahead with that. So doctors was also called and she has also given a talk on the said importance of the day.
Today, 1st December is observed as World AIDS Day. And theme for today's World AIDS Day is raise hands for prevention. As we know that HIV, there is no cure for HIV and AIDS. So basically, the incidence can be decreased only through prevention. So here, the main thing is making people aware of the infection, its causes, how it is, the disease is transmitted and prevented. So prevention is better than cure. So that's why we have gathered over here to observe the day.
C.T. Naik Higher Secondary School has been organizing such rallies for the last many years. I am very happy that every time we are getting full support from all the sections of the society, like municipality or health department or Patrakar Sangh and all the general public. The programs are successful only because of the active participation of all the people. On behalf of C.T. Naik Higher Secondary School, I am very much grateful to all the people who have helped to make this rally a grand success.